Hi, it's Karen, and today we're gonna make leche flan in our Instant Pot. So the first thing we're gonna do is, I've already put 2 tablespoons of water in here, and what we're gonna do is add a half a cup of white sugar to it. So I'm gonna pour that in. And then it needs to be a microwave safe glass dish. So I like using one with a handle so that, I can easily pour. So we need to stir, and I'm just going to use the tablespoon that I poured with. We need to stir until they're thoroughly combined. All right. And then I'm going to microwave it for up to 4 minutes. So I'm going to put it in there, and then around the 2-minute mark, every 30 seconds or so, I'm going to stop and stir to make sure it doesn't burn. I'll be back in a minute and we'll go to the next step. Okay, I've gotten this out of the microwave. It is extremely hot, so be careful. And what you're going to do is either in individual ramekins or in a larger dish that is safe to use in your Instant Pot, you are going to spread this out. It's like a caramel type sauce. And so just get it all, as much as you can get out of here. Get it all into your bowl or individual bowls, and then let it spread over the bottom. Got to do it kind of quickly. I'm not moving quite quickly enough. All right, now what we're going to do is mix the custard type mixture, and what that includes is evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla flavoring, and some eggs. So you are going to mix together 4 eggs. So I'll do those. And I'm terrible with cracking eggs, so I'll get back to you in a second because I gotta go slow. Okay, I've got my eggs right here. Now I'm going to put my sweetened condensed milk in. I want to get it all. Then my evaporated milk, which I shook up before I opened it. And then either vanilla or lemon zest. I'm going with vanilla. That's 1 teaspoon. So I've got that. And now I'm going to mix this until everything's blended. And I'm gonna get something else to mix with. I'll be right back. Okay, better. So you can either use a blender or you can whisk it until it's really well combined. You don't want to see any of the yolk or anything, so mix it really well. Once it's well combined, you're either going to pour it into your individual ramekins, or as I'm using here, my 1 single dish. Now, you need to add water to your Instant Pot. We need 1.5 cups, so I'm gonna get that and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're ready. I've got 1.5 cups of water right here to pour into the bottom of my pot. Then, let me go ahead and move this out of the way. I'm going to insert my trivet. Then I'm going to take a piece of foil and cover my flan. The reason you want to do that is just because it is gonna, the steam is gonna build up moisture, and it will help protect your flan. And then, actually, it'll be easier to lower this down on there. Depends on your dish. and your trivet. So I'm gonna do that and straighten out my foil. Okay, now we're gonna close it up. Make sure my vent is sealed. If you are doing ramekins, you wanna do 8 minutes. If you are doing one dish like I am, we are gonna do 12 minutes. And then you are gonna let it naturally release pressure for 10 minutes, and then you can release whatever's left. When this is done, I will come back and show you what to do next. Okay, we've let the pressure release naturally for the last 10 minutes. And now the pin has already dropped, so I can go ahead and open it up carefully. And I've got these handy little things, and we are going to pick up the trivet and remove our dish. Or if you have ramekins, then you can carefully take each one out. I want to take a peek. Oh, it's so beautiful. So it's going to be jiggly still because it has to cool in order to solidify. So I'm going to carefully pick this up with these and put it into the refrigerator to chill for the next 12 hours. And then I will take a picture and post it for you. Okay, it was a long wait, 12 hours in the refrigerator, but we're ready for our last step. I'm going to take our flan and use a butter knife to go around the outside edge carefully, just to separate it from the edge of my dish. And it may not be necessary if you're doing it in ramekins. I don't know, because I've never done it that way. But the eggs sometimes make it stick. And then I'm going to take my plate, put it on top, and flip. And there you go. I will take a picture and post. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.